In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add videos to your watch later playlist on YouTube mobile. Okay, so there's two ways of how you can go ahead and do this. And the first way is if you go to someone's channel and let's say, for example, you're looking under their uploads and you see a video you want to add to your watch later playlist. You can see three vertical dots on the right hand side of the video. If you tap on that, you'll have a couple of options, and the first option is save to watch later. And if you tap on save to watch later, it will be saved. And the other option is if you actually tap on a video and then you'll see the likes, the dislikes, and so on. And then you'll see a save button. If you go ahead and tap on that, you can see that you have various options to add it to different playlists. And the first one there is watch later. So that has now been added to my watch later playlist. I tap on done. And then I can go back, and then if I tap on library at the bottom right there, and then I tap on watch later, you can see the two videos that I just added are in my watch later playlist. So that is how you add videos to your watch later playlist on YouTube mobile. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.